Stop overpaying for a smart thermostat. Seriously. In 2026, you are probably getting ripped off, buying a fancy puck for your wall that isn't saving you as much money as you think. The good news is, the best budget models are now so good, they make the expensive ones look completely pointless. We're going to count down the top 5 budget smart thermostats you can buy right now, but I'm going to tell you a secret. The number 1 pick on this list costs less than a fancy dinner for 2, and it does almost everything you actually need it to do. You're going to be surprised. Let's start with number 5, the one that almost didn't make a budget list, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. Now hold on, I know what you're thinking. Premium is in the name. But hear me out. This is the stretch budget pick. It's for the person who wants every single bell and whistle, but wants the best value to get it. Its best feature is the included smart sensor. You put this little guy in another room, and the Ecobee will average the temperature, or even focus just on that room, to eliminate cold spots. It also has Alexa built right in, so it's a mini smart speaker. The honest flaw? It's the price. It's a lot more expensive than the others on this list, and you have to be sure you'll use those premium features to justify it. But what if you don't want to mess with sensors and extra features, and you just want a thermostat that's smarter than you are? That brings us to number 4, an absolute icon, the Google Nest Learning Thermostat. This is for the person who wants to set it and forget it. For the first week, you just adjust the temperature like you normally would. The Nest watches you, learns your schedule, and then builds a program automatically to save you energy. Its best feature is that learning algorithm. It's still one of the best in the business. And now that it's been out for a while, you can find it at a much more budget-friendly price. The honest flaw, though? It doesn't come with any room sensors, and if you want to add them, you have to buy Google's separate, pricey ones. Now, that Nest simplicity is great, but what if your problem isn't your schedule, it's that your bedroom is an ice cave while your living room is a tropical jungle? For that, our number 3 pick is the Honeywell Home T9. This is the problem solver. Its best feature is, without a doubt, its smart room sensors. They are, in my opinion, the best in the game. They don't just detect temperature, they detect motion, so the T9 can prioritize the room you're actually in. It's brilliant. This is for anyone with a home that heats or cools unevenly. The one honest flaw is the app and interface. It just feels a little less slick and futuristic than the Nest or Ecobee. It's functional, but not as pretty. Targeting specific rooms is a killer feature, but it can add complexity. If you just want a rock-solid, reliable thermostat that is easy to install and works with everything, you need to look at our number 2 pick, the Emerson Sensi Touch. This is the unsung hero. Its best feature is its compatibility and ease of use. It works with Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and SmartThings, and the installation is famously simple. In many homes, it doesn't even require a C-wire, which is a huge deal for people in older houses. This is for the practical person who values reliability over flashy design. And that leads to its flaw, it's a bit boring. The hardware and the app are very straightforward, which is great for some, but it lacks the wow factor of the others. The Sensi is an amazing value. But what if I told you that you could get 90% of the smarts for less than half the price? Our number 1 best budget smart thermostat for 2026 is the Amazon Smart Thermostat. This thing is a no-brainer. It was made with Honeywell's thermostat technology, so it's reliable, but Amazon sells it for a ridiculously low price. Its best feature is its seamless Alexa integration. If you have an Echo device, Alexa can learn your habits and automatically adjust the temperature for you, just like a Nest. This is for anyone, and I mean anyone, who uses Alexa and wants to save money. It's so affordable, it's practically an impulse buy. Now for the honest flaw, it is 100% reliant on you having an Alexa ecosystem to get the most out of it. And it absolutely requires a C-wire to work, no exceptions. But if you have those two things, there is no better value on the market. Period. So there you have it. The Amazon Smart Thermostat is our budget champion for 2026. Remember, the prices on these things change all the time. To help you out, I've put links to the best, up-to-the-minute prices I can find for every single thermostat on this list. Just check the pinned comment and the description below for the best deals right now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.